We're going to start with a stomach vacuum lying down. So just bend your knees and make sure your feet are flat on the ground. Relax your stomach as you take a deep breath, inhale through your nose. Now slowly breathe out through your mouth as you suck your belly button in as much as possible. Try to keep it contracted there for as long as you can. I held it for about 15 seconds or so. Whenever you're ready, relax your stomach as you take another breath, inhale through the nose. And again, exhale slowly through your mouth as you suck your stomach in. Keep it contracted there. You can either hold your breath here or try to breathe with your stomach contracted. Very nice, guys.
Everything falls into place the minute you leave and give me space. I wanna know how it feels.
The next exercise is a classic. We're doing the crisscross crunch. This is one of the best core exercises to target your obliques and cinch your waist. So left knee to right elbow, right knee to left elbow.
Let go without being put in my place. I'ma just dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die.
Have your knees bent for the next one and feet flat on the ground. Keeping your lower back flat on the floor, reach your left hand towards your left heel. You should really feel this in your obliques as well. Right hand to right heel. Keep alternating.
My skin is cold, as is my heart. I'm falling apart with a smile. My bridges are burning, I'm holding the match. I'm ready to fall, will you catch? Dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die.
Our next exercise is the reverse crunch. This exercise not only works your lower abs, but it also tones and tightens the inner ab muscles to give you that tiny waist. Start on the floor with your hands by your side. Explosively, with the strength of your core, lift your feet off the ground over your head. Reverse the motion, lower your legs just before it reaches the ground, and just repeat. Try to keep your legs off the ground the entire time.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green.
Next, we're doing another version of the stomach vacuum. Come onto your hands and knees. Your stomach should be parallel to the floor. Inhale deeply through your nose with a relaxed stomach. Exhale slowly through your mouth as you suck your stomach in. Try not to arch it back. Keep it contracted there for 15 seconds or so. Then relax your stomach as you inhale and repeat another rep or so. I only do about 2 reps here.
You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence.
halfway through, guys, so just stay strong. Come up onto high plank position. Let's do some crossover mountain climbers. This variation of mountain climbers is a killer waist cincher. Make sure you're really moving with those obliques. Right knee to left tricep, left knee to right tricep. Oof, that was intense. We're doing something slightly easier next. Come down to your forearms for the next one. Keep your core contracted as you dip your hips from side to side. Very nice, guys.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this.
Alright guys, just 3 more exercises left. Come back onto your backs again. Knees bent, let them fall to your left side. We're gonna work those right obliques. Crunch up. Let's keep everything balanced and do the other side. Knees bent, let them fall to the right, and crunch up.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
No tiny waist workout is complete without a brutal plank exercise. Come back up to high plank. We're doing plank reach out and taps. So reach out with your left hand, tap your right shoulder, same thing with the other side.